Printful versus Printify. Which do you choose? Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I will be telling you about a little conversation, a healthy conversation I had with a fellow YouTuber concerning which print-on-demand provider to use between Printful and Printify. I don't know if some of you have watched Wholesale Ted's video. Wholesale Ted is a fellow YouTuber who makes print-on-demand videos as I do, and she made a recent video about the best print-on-demand supplier that's between Redbubble, Printify, and Teespring. So in the video, she made a comment saying that Printify is the best print-on-demand provider. So I was not of that opinion. Down in the comments section, I said t-shirt prices are better with Printful. $7.95 base cost as opposed to $8.05 from Printify, because that's what she said in the video. And I said I was planning to do a video revealing the best print-on-demand platforms. That's actually this video. So we had a nice conversation here. She was of the opinion that it's Printify because of a particular t-shirt, which is the Gildan 5000. So I said the Gildan 64,000 is the best t-shirt, and I'm going to show you in a bit what I think is the cheapest and the best t-shirt and the lowest price, to be precise. The reason why I think Printful is better in t-shirts is because t-shirts are priced lower. So let me first of all start with Printify. The t-shirt that she thinks is the lowest. So we're gonna go to Gildan 5000, and she says because Printify offers many print-on-demand providers, so you need to search for the particular one you have to choose. That's one of the things that discouraged me from using Printify. Just the fact that I have to choose my print-on-demand provider myself is just something that repels me. But with Printful, you don't have to choose any print-on-demand provider. They have, I think, over more than 8 locations worldwide. Any of the locations that are closest to the location of your customer, that's the location that is gonna fulfill your customer's order. So she specified that Monster Digital is the print-on-demand provider with the lowest t-shirt price, and she forgets to know that shipping is also involved. So let's put a sample order. For this video, we're going to put a sample order using Printify and put a sample order using Printful and compare which two prices are the best. All right. Go to start designing. I'm just going to get a design that I downloaded from Vexels. Vexels is a graphic design platform where you can get ready-made designs. And learn more about Vexels, the link is in the description. So I'm just going to quickly grab a design from there. So the design has been uploaded. If you want to look how it's going to look on a real t-shirt, in real life t-shirts, click on preview. This is how it's going to look. I always like going with black t-shirts. So I'm just going to go back to edit, change the colors to black, and exit that and save the product. So that looks cute. We'll go ahead and we're going to create an order. Let's just go with size small and continue with shipping. I'm just going to fill out all this information first, then we'll move on to the next step. So confirm order. As you can see, the total price is $12.63, and Printify has included a shipping surcharge, and they say this shipping surcharge is as a result of the holiday season sales peak. They say all major US shipping carriers are applying temporary shipping surcharges. So I'm gonna leave it at this order right here and jump to Printful and show you the total order for a size small black t-shirt. Alright, using the same design, I'm going to choose black, continue to start small, size small, start designing. Alright, so my design has been uploaded. This is how it looks like. I'm just going to continue. So I'm just going to quickly fill in this shipping information and we review the order. So as you can see, the final price is $11.94, which is a great contrast between Printify's total order of $12.63. So the question falls back to you. Which t-shirt do you think is cheaper? Of course, it's Printful's. Printful's total order is $11.94 and Printify's total order is $12.63. So here's the thing. Printify also has some additional benefits. I like using Printify to fulfill mugs because they have better prices than Printful. So it's up to you. If you want to fulfill an order, I'll advise that you take a look at the various prices between Printful, Printify, and even Guten, and verify which one has the cheapest price before fulfilling your customer's order or before even listing the product for sale. But as for t-shirts, my recommended and my go-to print-on-demand provider is Printful. So when I'm done with this video, I'll definitely go back to this video and pin it at the bottom, so anyone who is confused which print-on-demand provider is the best for t-shirts can go ahead and watch my video to make an informed decision. So I just wanted to make a short video differentiating between Printful and Printify. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. If it helped you in any way, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.